Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very simple scarf with knit stitch. The scarf I crocheted with 5 colors, but if you want you can use different colors. A few months ago I crocheted with this pattern, this cap, and if you want video tutorial can you find in descriptions. For the scarf I used the yarn from Himalaya every day, and here is Empfil crochet hook 5 mm, but I use a little bit thicker for the first row 7 mm and for the scarf 6.5 mm. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. For this video I use only these 4 colors, but this dark color, here can you see the stitches, but this is the same. My scarf I crocheted lengthwise, and for this scarf I crocheted 280 stitches, but for this video I will crochet only 15. And I start with the first color, the darkest, and with thicker crochet hook, 7 mm. I leave 15 cm long yarn for the fringes, and here I make the knot stitch and crochet 15 chain stitches, but you can crochet so many you want. (13, 14, 15). Now chain 1, cut yarn and leave again 15 cm long, pull yarn and pull yarn. It was the first row. Second row I start on this side and I crochet with a thinner crochet hook, 6.5 mm, and I crochet in, not in these loops, but in these back loops. This one, this one, this one. I put the same color. I crochet every 2 rows with the same color, thinner crochet hook. I leave 15 cm long yarn. Again I start with a knot stitch and I start in this first back loop. And now yarn over through this loop, pull yarn, through this loop crochet hook to the front, and through these 2 loops crochet hook to the back. And next one, yarn over through this back loop, pull yarn to the front, to the back. And next one, yarn over, pull yarn to the front, to the back, and this continue to the end of row. Pull yarn to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back, and continue to the end of row. To the front, to the back, and the last stitch the same, yarn over, pull yarn to the front, to the back. Now chain 1, leave 15 centimeter long and cut yarn, pull yarn and pull yarn. It was second row. I start again on this side, turn, and I put the next color, 15 centimeter long, knot stitch, and now I crochet in these very first loops, here, 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 not in these two loops, but here in this very first loop. And the same, I start in this first loop, yarn over, grab yarn through this loop and pull yarn to the front and to the back, and the next loop, yarn over, grab yarn to the front, to the back. And this repeat again to the end of row. At the end, and the last stitch is this one. Grab yarn to the front, to the back, chain 1, 15 centimeter long, cut yarn and pull yarn. It was third row. Now turn and again in these very front loops with the same color, 15 centimeter, knot stitch and continue, yarn over, through this loop, grab yarn to the front, through these two loops to the back, yarn over to the front, to the back, and again this repeat to the end of row. Now looks like this. And in this last stitch, the same, yarn over to the front, to the back, chain 1, 15 centimeter long, cut yarn, pull yarn, pull yarn. Now I start on this side, turn, I put the next color, 15 centimeter, knot stitch, and I start in this first loop, in this back front loop, yarn over, and continue. You can combine the colors how you want, and you can crochet so many rows, how many you want. And now looks like this, my knit stitch. I crochet a few rows and then I show you how you can finish the work. I crocheted a few rows and now looks like this. The last row I crocheted and finished the same like everyone else. It's not different. At the end you can cut these fringes on the same length and the scarf is ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.